What is up, everybody? It is me, Gina Marie, and I am back with another video. So I'm going to be doing a little makeup look, nothing too much, so I really hope you're not expecting too much because that's not happening over here. So I'm going to start with this e.l.f. eye pencil, and all right, we're already starting, so okay, bye. Turn around and show you I could bless you with some culture. Oh. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm currently lining up my brows with my microbladed brow.
How shall I put this? Your voice scares small children! Miss Fowl, please!
Yes, for those who don't know, I do have my eyebrows microbladed. I actually did a blog post on that, and I'll put the link to that in the bio. So yeah, I'm mostly just checking to make sure that my eyebrow application will be as flawless as possible and not annoying. Okay, and once I finish doing that, I go back to resuming my brow application. Stop for a quick dance break. And yeah, that should be everything that I do to them. Wow, I'm really into this song. Meditate, better not mistake, better go and get your love. Okay, right now I am just filling in my pores with this pore filler by NYX. And then I realized I gotta put it on one side of my face. Yeah, we kind of need both sides, sis. Take it one day at a time. I think I'm everything just fine. And I can't make mistakes, but I know I'm gonna be okay. Got the weight of the world on me. Really no regrets, this is what I say. Okay, right now I'm just applying a DHC primer. It's pretty, makes your skin pretty blurred, and I love it. No complaints from me. 10 out of 10, would recommend.
Oh, I'm not talking.
Exactly. Yeah, right now I'm just using a Black Radiance concealer palette just to clean up my brows, make them a little bit more, you know, browier. Alright, now I'm about to put on my foundation. Brows are good, and we can move on now to the foundation, which is CoverGirl. I'm just gonna put a couple stripes on my face.
So he called his pussy Tigger.
So I can get an even layer on.
What are you? The Music Man? Do you have a mobile band too? Do you just like go outside and just be a one person? Whatever.
Alright, I'm just showing my Maybelline Fit Me in 360. And next I am going to put concealer on, which the concealer is by CoverGirl True Blend Undercover in the shade Bronze. Now I just blended out my concealer, and once I get done jamming out, I will be adding my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to the areas that I just concealed. And yeah, watch as I put on this powder and jam out to my lit playlist. Maybe one day I'll do something on my recent songs that I'm listening to currently.
All right, now I'm just going to swipe away the excess powder, brush it off, however you may say. And next I'm going to just set my face even more with my MAC Mineral Skin Finish, I believe, mineralized powder, something like that. But yeah, I'm just going to add that to my, again, places where I concealed. All right, next I'm just going to use this eye pencil. It's by Ruby Kisses, 24-hour eye defined. Color is glitter black, and I'm just going to put that under my eye. And now I am just going to add the L'Oreal Infallible, the Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner, and that is again in the color black. The music man? Do you have a mobile band too? Do you just like go outside and just be a one-person band?
Mathematics is shit.
Alright, now I'm just adding some mascara to my lashes, and that is just a telescopic mascara. So far, that's been the best mascara that I've had. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, now I'm just applying blush. The blush is old, so I don't even ask what that other one is, but this one that's in my hand is NARS Orgasm Blush. And yeah, it's just like one of them samples that you get for your birthday. But yeah, I like it. I like to mix the two just to give me a little color on the cheeks. Now I am just applying some eyeshadow that I use as a highlight. It's super old. Like, it's some e.l.f. highlight back when e.l.f. like first started out. And yeah. So I'm just putting that on my cheeks, and I'm gonna put a little, pretty much I'm going to be gold out. My brush old, y'all. It's old. Ain't nothing you can do about it. I'm still using it. And yeah, nobody can beat my ass, so. I'm just taking that same eyeshadow that I use as a highlight and just putting a little shimmer on my brow bone. I do that on both sides, and then I put a little in my inner corners of my eyes just to make my eyes sparkle. And yeah, that's for the most part everything. Yeah, all I gotta add now is lipstick and the look is complete.